Welcome back. Rajinikanth celebrates his birthday today, and this time it's a Thanksgiving day of sorts for millions of his fans. They're celebrating Rajinikanth's near total recovery from a kidney-related ailment. His fans lined up special pujas and charitable activities through the day.
சும்மா அதிரதுல சிவாஜியும் நான் தான், எம்ஜிஆரும் நான் தான்.
Rajinikanth's dialogues and one-liners have always given people a chance to flaunt their attitude. There have been several one-liners which try to humorously present the phenomenon called Rajinikanth. Fawaz Jalil collects a few of these one-liners. Listen, watch and enjoy, because there is nothing Rajini can't do.
Rajini number 1. Rajinikanth's calendar goes straight from March 31st to April 2nd because no one fools Rajinikanth.
Amma, pal. Pamba. Pamba.
Rajini number 2. When Rajinikanth does push-ups, he isn't lifting himself up. He's pushing the earth down.
करण से बचोगे तो हुसैन से पिटो.
தலைவர் வாழ்ந்த காலத்துல நாங்க பிறந்து வாழ்ந்துட்டு இருக்கறதுல மிகப்பெரிய பெருமைப்படுறோம், சந்தோஷப்படுறோம்.
Rajini number 3. Rajinikanth doesn't wear a watch. He decides what time it is.
அவன ஹாஸ்பிடல்ல செத்துட்டானா, போலீஸ் தேடி வந்திருக்கு.
Rajini number 4. If Rajinikanth was born 100 years back, British would have fought to get independence.
முடிஞ்சா ஆடுற வரைக்கும் ஆடு, இல்ல ஓடுற வரைக்கும் ஓடு, இதுக்கு போய் அலட்டிக்கலாமா?
தலைவர் புதுசா மர்ஜன் எடுத்திருக்காரு. இது அவர் 62வது பிறந்த நாள் கிடையாது, ஃபர்ஸ்ட் குழந்தை அவர், ஃபர்ஸ்ட் 1வது பிறந்த நாள் அவர்.
Rajini number 5. Rajinikanth bought 2 elephants, 2 camels and 2 horses from the zoo. Do you know why? To play chess.
என்னப்பா மூணு விஷயம்? இன்னொருத்தோடைய பொண்ணு மேலயும் சொத்து மேலயும் கண்ணு வைக்காத, உப்பிட்டவனை உயிரிழவரை நினை, அநியாயத்துக்கு அடிப்படையாதே, அடிச்சு தூள் பண்ணு, அப்போதான் நீ டக்கரா இருப்ப அப்படின்னு சொன்னாங்க சார். எங்க தாத்தா சொன்னது கரெக்ட் தானே சார்? ரொம்ப கரெக்ட்.
Rajini number 6. Rajinikanth once rolled a dice and scored a 7.
அடிக்கிறீங்களா என்ன? ஏய் என்னடா?
And Rajini number 7. Rajinikanth wrote his autobiography. The book was released, titled Guinness Book of World Records. This is Fawaz Jalil for NDTV Hindu.
That is definitely interesting. It is not just wishes and celebrations, but invocation as well. On the occasion of his birthday, Rajini's fans in the city gather at the Raghavendra temple to offer up special prayers.
It's a big day for fans of Rajinikanth as a superstar celebrates his 61st birthday. In fact, I'm inside the Raghavendra Swami temple at T Nagar in Chennai, and here fans have gathered here for a special puja. Let's talk to them. Sir, how special is this day for you?
Sir, this is a very, very grand and great occasion for us. Since he was ill in hospital, come back, it is a rebirth for him. So we are celebrating this birthday in a very grand manner. We are praying for him, we have prayed for him, we'll be praying for him.
Right. And many of you want this day to be declared as World Style Day, is it?
Yes, of course, it is the ultimate, sir. Today, he has gone for style. Style is the other name of Rajinikanth is style. So in Indian he will tell one word. He says, there can be nobody can destroy me.
Right, right.
Yes, the inbuilt energy, sir.
Right.
That battery cannot be destroyed.
Okay. The Prana is going to be next year, and soon it's going to be Kocharayan. Are you all happy about that?
Happy birthday to Kocharayan.
So surely a big day for fans, and we're all set for the special puja inside the temple. Here with camera person Raja at the Raghavendra Swami temple in Chennai, Sam Daniel, Findy TV.
In an exclusive with NDTV 24/7, Lata Rajinikanth, wife of actor Rajinikanth, said that he celebrated his 62nd birthday with family and also stated that he was bouncing back to normalcy after a rough patch. She added that she has always treated him like a child, buying him multiple gifts, and also thanks his fans for their prayers.
Joining me now, Mrs. Lata Rajinikanth. Ma'am, thank you so much for talking to us. A very big day for you. How did Sir celebrate today?
He was with the family, and we were all together. You know, this year has been so important for us because of the rough patch that we have gone through in the past few months, and we are so happy that he's back and bouncing back to normal. And it was a beautiful moment for him to spend with his grandchildren and children and just be, you know, he's spending a very private and nice time.
What did you gift him today?
So many things. I always treat him like a little child, and have been doing it for years. I make a collection of gifts and packs for him, but most especially we pray. We do a lot of prayer today, and to thank all the people who have showered so much love and affection on us through all these years, and this year particularly for all the prayers from millions of people all around the world. So I think with folded hands we would like to say thanks to everybody.
Now fans would like to know, when is Sir going to resume his acting for his much awaited Kocharayan now, ma'am?
He's just taking it easy, and he just wants to enjoy this space because he's never had, as I said in the morning to other media, that he never had this kind of space in his life. Right. You know, he's just taking time to sit back, really relax, and then bounce back. You know, as he normally, you know, he's quite clear about what he wants to do, and I'm sure he'll just get back to being himself very soon.
What can you tell us about the story? Who's going to pair with him in this movie?
I think that should be left to Soundarya to answer. And I think let everything remain quite exciting at the moment, and everything as and when the news is ready, you will really get it.
How are you both as parents enjoying the song sung by Mr. Dhanush, Kolavaridi?
It's a wonderful thing to know that children are doing well, and I heard the song much earlier than what you when it was released. Right. And as a singer, musician and composer, I felt that it would really make an impact because it had something different. It was, as he says, though it's a silly song, as Dhanush says, it's a very catchy song.
And you must be quite proud that both daughters have taken into film direction.
Yes, I think there's an aptitude that's very strong in both of them, and from childhood both have been extremely creative, and they chose to go behind the camera, and Soundarya is highly talented in her artistic skills in terms of right from childhood, and so Aishwarya too has been a writer for a long time, as I know from her childhood, and I think the time is now ripe and they've evolved into their individual selves, and I think they'll do well.
And lastly, ma'am, is there any message Sir wanted to convey his fans on this special day?
All the time he just wants to be so thankful to every one of them for their love. Unga anbukkum aadaravukkum ungaludiya பிரார்த்தனைகளுக்கும் எங்க குடும்ப சார்பாக சார்பாக எல்லோருக்கும் நன்றி.
Thank you very much for your time, ma'am, and once again a very happy birthday from all of us from NDTV to Sir and for the entire. Thank you so much, ma'am. With camera person Raja in Chennai, Sam Daniel, NDTV.
His fans say that his birthday should be celebrated as World Style Day. Even at 62, superstar Rajinikanth remains a sensation and style icon in the hearts of millions, a tribute to this legend of Indian cinema.
நான் ஒரு தடவை சொன்னா 100 தடவை சொன்ன மாதிரி.
Rajini.
பேரை கேட்ட உடனே சும்மா அதறதில்ல.
The initial years of his film era was full of ups and downs.
உள்ளமெல்லாம் கல்லு முள்ளு லா 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 லா.
ஏய் இங்க அமுக்குடா. அங்க எங்கயோ பாக்குறான்.
ஏடா முத்துவீரே. நாளைக்கு நம்ம ஊரு வீதியில யாரும் வெள்ளை வேட்டி சட்டையோட நடக்க முடியாது.
When superstar and Ulaganayagan danced together, millions could do nothing but stare. Rajini, who played many roles in his films, ruled the industry as villain and hero. But his style made him the undisputed hero, second to none.
மின்சார கண்ணா எல்லாருக்கும் உன்னையே பிடிச்சிருக்கு தெரியுமா? வயசானாலும் உன் ஸ்டைலும் அழகும் இன்னும் உன்னை விட்டு போகல.
Thank you.
In the cinema world,
சிவாஜியும் நான் தான், எம்ஜிஆரும் நான் தான்.
Rajini remained in the hearts of millions of fans as a king, irrespective of language and kingdom.
Hey, என்னடா?
When he walks, when he smiles. The Kochadian hero who turned 62 today conquered the hearts of millions in his debut movie Apurva Ragangal, rose to the heights of Endiran, the robo of Indian cinema. This is Subarak for NDTV Hindu.
Happy birthday, Talaiva! No, I don't know. I'll just say, I don't know what to say. I just hope he is healthy, hale and hearty, young, energetic for years and years and years to come, so that even my grandchildren will have the same excitement of seeing a Talaiva movie, first day, first show. Happy birthday, Rajinikanth! Happy birthday, Rajinikanth!
NDTV Hindu also wishes Talaiva a very happy birthday, and that brings us to the end of this bulletin. Thank you for watching. This is Anu George Kanjanathopu for NDTV Hindu, and I will be back with more news and updates at 10. So stay tuned.